What the fuck was that?
But yeah, they basically went around recruiting people from various youth groups in the area, and
for a variety of reasons, because I'm not going to do it.
What the really?
They are
seriously two dual turns at once. Really? No, wait. Now we got
on defense who can play. Yeah.
Come on, figure it out.
Can Burns play? Heck yeah.
Jeez.
On that defense the other day? Yeah. Yes.
Oh, by the way, you can still get the 46 West if you make that left turn at that light up there. It takes about a minute longer, but you can still do it. Jeez. People are dumb.
Bad to keep his hands. He's a great postseason hitter. Number two guys.
Really? What the? Really?
That was a big mistake. They don't keep going. You got the pass. That gets you a win. You got to be protected.
I got one extra regret and two extra regrets.
Maybe get some
First guy was a Nissan driver. Nissan driver. Yeah, he's still going up the shoulder because he's gifted like that, I guess.
Just saying goodbye to luck.
Really?
You're seeing stuff now about how it's his fault. He hasn't been lucky. And then obviously Pittsburgh runs off 31 straight balls.
Really?
Only game on that schedule the rest of the way. Man, I never have. I think the Yankees bullpen is overrated right now. The Dodgers.
It's an exit dive.
And I think they have a couple. The connection between the quarterback and the wide receivers are still so lacking. No.
Yep. Exit dive. Toyo turd.
Canada is Wilson. Only good team. I can't say winning team they play anymore is Buffalo because now the Colts have a winning record. But the Colts are at best.
Where are you going over there? The lane ends. Screwborough.
Up and down. You might see Flacco, but I think the Colts coach knows what he's doing. Huh? How does that work?
You can go now.
You know,
you can go now.
Carrying a grudge, he wouldn't be moved if he was ball. That guy reached down. That ball was not a home run. He took his ball and his kid. I understand he wanted.
Oh, by the way, he passed the cop back there.
You can't get yourself involved.
You can't do that.
A lot less idiots, so 10 out of 10 would discover again. One other quick detail before we wrap
Seriously, why do you have your high beams on?
This might be my favorite part of the story. In 1996,
you don't need them.
A year before
to our inspiration theory, we have one more way to be inspired by your work, both here in this country and around the world for what you do for human rights.
Yeah, that was an exit dive up there. Hopefully you were able to see it beyond the, because those trucks are in the way, but you know, it's what it is.
The league explained. You know what you're going to hear today? Oh, by tomorrow? Oh, the league sent a letter apologizing.
I've cut around all that big line of cars. Bad, bad, bad. You're a douchebag. Stop it.
That's supposed to be my answer. So you know that I don't know.
The exit dive.
But bases loaded. I would have put Demetrius up.
Extra regret.
To leave and be kind of freaked out. It's not uncommon for people to emerge and they're just weird.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Here's another personal story. JC was 13 when she went through the hell house. She said,
hey, what are you doing, dude? Really?
A girl. There was a little TV on her nightstand.
Small dick truck.
Supposed to be showing us scenes from the tribulation make up the majority of the walk. and the Antichrist had established a totalitarian government.
Where are you going? Why are you going over there?
The masses with his
Really? You ain't gonna save that much time. You're what the fuck? What? Yay! You got around one car. You're gonna save light years from your commute time. Good job. Your country's proud of you. Red light run. Oh. Really? Oh. Welcome to Newark.
His partner, Bonnie Nettles, who are the creepiest couple ever.
Red light run.
If you've ever been...
Oh, and by the way, I think I just witnessed Jake Allen's last game as a New Jersey Devil. I hope it's his last game. He sucks. Get him out of here. And yes, I know the defense sucks too.
German Shepherd.
What are you doing over there? That's not a lane. That's a shoulder.
Discipline piece is really the cult deal breaker. I mean, like, right? I'm all in for the hedonistic cult. They're like, sign me up for eating and fucking. I'll blame it on Jesus and UFOs. I don't give a fuck.
Wait, what are you blaming
What the
on
fuck?
now?
Really? Make up your mind. If you were going to cut me off, cut me off.
Alright, so let's start with some background on the founders. Marshall.
Oh, look, red light run. What a surprise. It's
Texas.
fucking New Jersey. Everyone sucks here. All year making my home state look bad. Especially Jake Allen. And the 6 bums we got on defense right now. Red light run. And a red light run by the small dick truck. What the fuck are you doing? Stay in your own lane.
They are going to take a beating. This is a bad matchup. I told you the Jets was a bad matchup, and the Jets had a chance in that game.
What the hell is that?
Could have controlled that game.
What are you doing? There's like
and then
cars coming. Really?
Control of that game and just tear it apart and score the win. To the 96 Pats. But he was not.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Bonnie Nettles, his soon-to-be cult partner. Nettles was a nurse.
Why are you driving up the shoulder, dude? Really?
And being treated for delusional by aliens, and that he had a divine assignment in life. Jesus, he's the nurse.
And what are you doing behind me?
The nurse.
Toyo turd.
Yup. You see, honestly,
Yeah, you're gonna save so much time by doing that.
History. This is exactly.
Good job. The country's proud of you.
Moses, Jesus, Muhammad, Joseph. Then used the money they got to buy a bunch of worldly possessions.
Really?
By the way, definitely should have stayed for a few more seminary.
Extra regret behind me. And there's a left lane, dude. You can pass me there.
They had a meeting in Oregon, and
But I'll move over for you.
to disappear and become reclusive hobo campers together. Now, what?
Yes, secondary, but it's also played work.
Lane split.
Salah, to his credit, had some very interesting game plans.
Yeah, I'll count that as a lane split again.
They'll do well, and the Steel fans could care less about the World Series. But then the World Series at that
What the
point,
fuck was that?
First game at Yankee Stadium is going to be a big.
Really? You're passing on the shoulder. What are you doing, dude? Really? No wonder why. That was an extra regret. By the money truck. It's like, why is everyone slamming on the brakes? Oh, because the money truck.
Violent scene to him drinking with friends. He was a little older.
I'll do it. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real because we're in Jersey and we just passed the sign that said no trucks allowed in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be. Well, oh well, sucks to be you. Well, hey, if you're a customer at Amazon, you're getting your packages just a little bit quicker because he's in the left lane, although he's stuck in traffic. Here you ain't getting your shit for a while. Oh, well, sucks to be you guys. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!